Alright, this is a tutorial on how to edit my templates with Microsoft Word 2016 on a PC. So once you've downloaded my template, it should go onto your computer under File Explorer. That's what this is. And usually under Downloads. So you double click on the file that you downloaded. At first it's going to look a little wonky if it says be careful, blah, 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 which I don't give you viruses, so you can click Enable Editing. And it'll go to the way it should look. So this is a 4-page template printed on a letter size 8.5 by 11 paper, front and back, and then folded at the end to give you 4 sections equaling 4 pages. So there are the backgrounds. You can move it, but I suggest not moving it, but it is set and you can't change it. But all the text boxes are changeable and photo box and movable. So to do that, you can double click or click and drag to whatever title you want. So it is editable as long as you have a installed copy of Word on a computer. This will not work on Office 365 or on your phone. So it must be installed and your copy of Word must be updated. If it's a really old version of Word, I'm pretty sure it's not going to work. Alright, so this is how you edit. So if you select text, you can change the font to whatever font you want. Change the size, in bold, italicize, underline, highlight. You probably don't want any of that. That's too much. Right. I'll take all that away. Okay. And same thing with here. You can select all this and delete and put whatever text you want. So when you start typing, it'll have the last used font. Again, you can select and change it to whatever font you want and to whatever size you need. Same thing with the title. You can move them around. I wouldn't move it too much to the side because I have it lined up, so when it's folded, it's in the center. But if you somehow accidentally moved it all wonky, what you can do is select the text and go to Format, and here's the size. So this is an 8.5 by 11, or I guess 11 inches wide. So half of that would be 5.5, so you change it to 5.5. Now you know it will be in the center when you fold it by lining this to the edge. Okay, same thing with here. And then this gave you, for this particular template, I gave you instructions on how to do this. Right click on picture, select change picture, and then delete this instruction box. So all you do is select the text box and hit delete on your keyboard. And for this particular template, I have it slightly different than most of my other templates. But I'll show you how to insert the other shape, photo insert. So for this particular one, you can right click and just change picture. And then File Explorer, look for your, wherever you put your picture to change the picture. For here, if you didn't like all this box and whatnot, go to Format and scroll down. You can change it to whatever you want. If you just simply don't like any of these designs here, you can just hit delete and insert your own picture. So go to Insert, Picture, and then go to wherever you stuck your pictures, which I have it under Downloads. So Insert. And if you notice, it kind of moved everything. So when you insert your own pictures, you have to right click on it, wrap text, and click in front of text. So now it goes back up and you can move it all over the place and it doesn't affect all the other text boxes. So you can drag it to wherever in the right spot and make it smaller or bigger. And if you decided that you wanted some of this borders or design on it, go to Format and select whatever you want. And like you can change the color too of the, say you wanted it blue or the border blue or purple, you can do that as well. And so you know this one's already 5.5 inches with the width. If you want to make sure it's all aligned because you accidentally moved it or whatever happened, you can select all of it by selecting this, hold down the Shift key and select all these items. Go to Format, and then there's Align tool here. Align. Now it's super aligned. So when you fold it, it will be in the center. Okay, same thing with these tags. You just select and drag, or not select and drag, select and insert your text. And like, again, if you accidentally move this somehow and it's not quite centered anymore, go back to Format. And again, this is 11 inches width, so you change this to 5.5. And it'll go back to the center when you fold it. And if you see some spaces in here, if you wanted more space or less space, you can select all your text and go to Layout. And here's the indent left and right. I have it set at 0.3 for this one. You can make it less or more by selecting up and down. So say, for example, you copied and pasted some text, and there's like too much space. So this is what this is. I would select 0. So it would have no space. Unless you wanted that space, then hit Enter. But if you select this text, it will show 0. So for some reason, it's automatically at 8 points. Give you some weird spacing in between. So to fix that, this is where you go to fix it. And then once you finish editing, I would suggest saving as a PDF because it prints better that way. And most print companies prefer not a Word file. So you go to File, Save as PDF. And then I'm going to save it because I didn't save it. And just name it whatever you want, template PDF, and save. Okay, once it's saved, you can take it to, say, Staples or FedEx. That's who I recommend if you don't want a border around the edges. So if you print at home and your printer does not have a borderless capability, you're going to have a white border around the edges. That's a printer issue, not a template issue. So if your printer at home doesn't have borderless option, it's going to have a white border when you print it. But if your printer does have borderless option, you can select it and it will print to the edge. And FedEx and Staples usually will be able to print to the edge. I would not recommend Office Max or Office Depot because they don't have that capability, at least not the last time I checked. So unless you don't mind the border, you can take it there. I hope that was helpful.